Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send large videos or large files on Messenger. So Messenger doesn't allow you to send like large videos, like video of 1 or 2 GB, or files of anything like more than like 50 MB or 10 MB, alright? But in today's video I'm going to be showing you a trick through which you guys can send it. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? First step, you want to go to this place called Drive, also known as Google Drive. Now you might know what Google Drive is. For those people who do not know, Google Drive is an online storage website. So you can store your videos and photos and anything over here, and you can share it with anybody you want, alright? So for an example, I uploaded a video over here. This video was too large for me to share it on Facebook, so I uploaded over here. And how to upload anything is you can just click on new over here, click on file upload, and choose whichever file or folder you want to upload from your desktop or PC, alright, and upload it. Once it's uploaded, you can right click on it and click on where it says get link. Once you click on get link over here, at the bottom you can see anyone with the link. At first it's going to be restricted, so make sure to change it with anyone with the link, alright? So make sure it's in this. Once it's in this, click on copy link and click on done. Once the link is copied, you can come on Facebook and paste it. Now whoever clicks on this link, it's going to take them to the video through which I grabbed the link. It's going to take me to this video. As you guys can see, I've reached over here in this video. So yeah, and anybody can just click the link, download the video, or watch the video, or do anything with this video. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can share large files or folder on your Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.